Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà, Iléyá, Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà, Iléyá. Bí a kò bá lè gbé lápapọ̀, ṣe bó yẹ ká lè dá dúró. Ká jáwọ́ nú àpọ̀n tí kò yọ, ká tètè gbómi lákàná. Iléyá o, Iléyá, Iléyá o, ọmọ Odùduwà, Iléyá.
all these appeasers of Fulani. They always appease Fulani. They want to please them. One Nigeria. The person you are doing one Nigeria for, does Fulani believe in one Nigeria? So you think that by Fulani opening their mouth and saying one Nigeria, they are doing it because they love you? Are you stupid? Are you that foolish? They're doing it because they want to conquer you. And in fact, you are conquered already. You are conquered already. Nigeria, are you not in Shanghai purchasing weapons right now, this very night? True or false? We know.
Okay.
When you bring them in, we are going to know. When you deploy them, we are going to know. When we destroy them in Biafra land, we will also tell you that we've destroyed them.
Okay.
That is to let you understand that our own intelligence is more than yours. Because in Yoruba land right now, not only are they refugees in Benin Republic, which some of them do not know, because the news is being suppressed, Yoruba people are paying ransom to go to their farms. Ask yourself this question. Somebody as influential as Wole Soyinka cannot go to his farm. He's a Yoruba man.
Okay.
Wole Soyinka, of course, one of the
is
people
a
that
fact.
blamed for the mess that Nigeria is in.
Okay.
A man who is learning should be educating those of us, should be foretelling the dangers to come by virtue of his academic accomplishments. He was the one supporting Fulani Janjaweed. I don't know if they were doing it to spite the Igbo people. I don't know what for. That same man cannot go to his farm.
But in Biafra land, you heard the testimony of Father Mbaka. You heard the testimony of Father Mbaka. It is not a makeup. People we don't even need Mbaka to testify for you to know. Some of you in Biafra land, you can now, everybody is confirming it. You can go to your farm. They are gone. But you know what? Any day Eastern Security Network is destroyed, they will come back with Dewey and Onoma. They will come back with all their might and everything in them. And they are going to slaughter our people. That is why we are raising funds every month to make sure there are food for our Eastern Security Network, and they will continue to guide our forest. So if you think that because there is no Fulani now, there is no terrorist Fulani in our land, so therefore let Eastern Security Network be destroyed, you are dreaming. This Eastern Security Network will be funded, maintained, and they will continue to guide our forest so that we are not going to have IDP camp until Biafra come. I am telling you. You see, when you hear other people talk, the ordeal they are going through, you should thank Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And of course, everybody that is contributing to make sure that Eastern Security Network stand. And that is why we are raising funds every month to make sure that our forest, our farmland, our women and children are